Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to import your custom fields into Payhawk. The main idea here is to upload any additional fields that you will need in Payhawk for your users to submit and review. First, let's log into the platform and open Settings. Next, go to the Expense fields and scroll down to Custom fields on the left side. Click on the three dots and select Import. In the import module that you see, you can choose Add Only. The process is really simple. You generate the template, you fill it in and upload it back. It's quick and easy. The template has 8 columns. Please don't change the template structure. Keep the columns exactly as they are. No extra columns or renaming. The custom field name is required and should be a user-friendly name for your custom fields for which you plan to have values. We're going to use project in this example. The custom field ID should be left empty because it will be automatically handled by the system. The custom fields type lets you define the type of value allowed: predefined list, a dynamic list, free text input, or date. The predefined list means that users can only select from the predefined values inside the custom fields. Dynamic list means that users can select from the predefined values inside the custom field, or they can add new values when submitting expenses. Free text inputs means that users can enter any text as description, and date means users can pick a date from the calendar. The description column is optional, and you can provide guidance for your end users. The row visibility determines who can see the field. You can choose a desired role from the drop-down list. Then, the columns is submit or is review required. They let you specify whether users must fill in these fields or if they can be left empty. And lastly, which is display custom fields for specific category. This enables you to customize visibility by linking the fields to a specific category. For example, if you have a custom field called Projects, it can be visible only when the category is Flights. Now, once your template is ready, just upload it back into Payhawk and all of your custom fields will be created in bulk. That's it.